Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into Thursday. And overall, though, today, really rough day. In fact, in what you would call, using technical terminology or just trading jargon, it was a total gap and trap. And now it really becomes a question of, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? So real quick, what do I mean by gap and trap in case maybe you're new to charts? All gap and trap means is that on Tuesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened up there, hence a gap up. And then after the market opened, this is where things are nice because, well, sure, at least the price made a move up and up and up. But then this is where things all of a sudden get very, very cruel because all of a sudden at that point, there were plenty of poor souls buying up around that area. And then after that, it was basically all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So that is the gap and trap part that comes into play. But now it's all about this level down here. Let's see, what is that? 32 cents. Why is 32 cents a must-hold level? And I'm not saying this will happen at all. I'm just trying to explain why this is such an important level. But if the price were to come down to 32 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Said another way, that would imply that the price made an explosive move to the upside, which is what that is. A very, very respectable move to then just go right back to where it was, which is the epitome of a pump and up. Again, I'm not saying this is a pump and up, but that is why that 32 cent mark is so important. In the event the price tries to bounce back to the upside, first key area of resistance to watch is going to be right there at 50 cents. And then after 50 cents, next key level to watch would then be right up there around the 62 cent mark. But yeah, as of right now, the chart's looking pretty shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.